Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV. Let's talk. A female that is associated with the Sparta boss is actually speaking out and she's letting her voice be heard. However, she has stated some things that raise some real chilling question as to why she would want to do or say such a thing in such a time when the artist is behind bars. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time I post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, what we want to talk about on the program today is a situation between the police and Leroy Russell, stage name Tommy Lee Sparta. As you know, Tommy Lee was arrested just over a week ago in relation to a gun charge that the police laid on him as he was caught allegedly with an illegal firearm, and is actually in the custody of the police as I speak. Now, Tommy Lee spent Christmas behind bars, and we're not sure whether or not he will be granted bail in the new year to come. But Tommy Lee has been one of those dancehall figures that has cemented himself to become a household name, not only locally, but on the international music space. And as you know, his song Bless, which garnered him that recognition that he was searching for throughout the world, with this massive hit song of Bless. And when we look on what transpired recently with the dancehall entertainer, it's very sad as well to see our entertainers are falling victim to the system. And we're not sure whether he was actually caught with the firearm on his person. However, that is what the media is reporting, that he was actually caught with the firearm on his person. But when we look on the situation, we've seen a number of our top dancehall stars behind bars for this. I'm talking about Vybz Kartel, Ninja Man, and a number of others as well that have gotten themselves involved in certain situations that the system has got a grip on them. And Tommy Lee is no other than that. We have seen Tommy Lee being caught in a number of controversy throughout his musical career, and now the police have cemented themselves into one of the most highly publicized case to date after the artist was caught with an illegal weapon. But all I can say, Tommy Lee is a very talented artist, and a whole lot of people really look up to this artist, and it's very sad to see that he's actually behind bars right now because of what he was caught with. I'm a fan of Tommy Lee. I listen to his music. I believe his music are very good as well. But recently I came across a video which is not doing very well in relation to what Tommy Lee is going through at this time. And it's alleged to be a female companion of the Sparta boss himself. And what the female is sharing in this video, I can say, is not a good look for the artist. That's all I can say. It's not a good look, and it doesn't really portray what we really want to see being portrayed of the artist, especially at this current time when he's actually in a predicament situation. And with that said, I'm just going to bring you over to that video right now on our screen for you to have a first-hand look of what I'm really talking about, because situations such as these videos sink the dancehall entertainer more, and we don't want that right now because he's in a state right now that no one would want to be in. So we can't be saying or doing things in actually to sink him more. He might have been involved in badness per se, however the man is innocent until proven guilty. So let us wait for that to happen. We can't be going on out there and just saying these bad things about a dancehall entertainer. And despite what is going on, we know that these entertainers, most of the time, they are involved in certain things, but he's innocent until proven guilty. So we can't be just saying things that will sink him more or get him more implicated than he already is implicated with. Well, let me go over to the video anyway for you to see what I'm talking about.
Talking not gone away. Ibaga talking not gone away. You see me? I say for you not kill nobody and for you not make nobody dead, who not dead to me. Yeah. For you not run program and not talk pan this. Yeah. Yeah. For you not run program and not talk pan this. Yeah. I'll be a support family right through. Them never catch no flat gun pan family. Chimudi, they never catch Chimudi. Clad. I which bad man I go a driving clad vehicle and see police a run down vehicle and did it with gun pan them. I have to search my car and find. Yeah, alright go. Hey, but it's stinking bad man and look at dirty stinking police them. Wanna send SWAT team. Clad losing the life. Yeah. Alright go. Right, let's go. Pay man for the girl and boy. I'm a links out there. But me not have to pay for murder people for me. With people, me not make clad people. So when you see me post them on the screen. Cause furthermore, who have pink wall page, clad grab me. I'm in a toe-to-toe with girl and boy.
Well, there you have it. That was the alleged partner of Tommy Lee Sparta. And she's actually giving her account of her own personal life that she lives. And she actually states some real chilling information in that video, which I believe will not do well on the artist's part, especially if this video is brought to the real and hardcore individuals within the JSCF. But this just goes to show you that whenever you're in certain situation and people might be thinking as if they're trying to help you out of the situation, most of the time they are only sinking you deeper into this. We've seen Tommy Lee being drawn before the courts on a number of allegations over the years, and we have seen him being able to manifest and actually create a wave around the whole entire thing by actually becoming free of all the charges that were laid against him in previous cases. Now we're in the year 2020. Going over into the year 2021, the dancehall entertainer has spent his Christmas again behind bars. Remember recently Tommy Lee was drawn before the courts as well on a case of lottery scamming. He was freed of that charge. And also he was drawn before the courts as well for flare-up of violence. Or he did not actually get drawn before the courts, but he was actually arrested under the public state of emergency that was imposed in Montego Bay in relation to a flare-up of violent activities in an area in that parish, and that would be Montego Bay, St. James area. But we have seen this artist propel his name and actually created a name for himself in the dancehall music space. When you mention the name Tommy Lee, everyone know who you're talking about. And I can say this artist is a very talented artist and also very inspirational as well. So it's very sad to see that he has gotten himself involved in such a situation where he is behind bars on a very serious charge, and a charge that might make him spend some time behind bars. We have seen recently a fellow entertainer as well got caught with an illegal weapon. I'm talking about O'Keefe Aarons, London as well. Very talented entertainer as well. I've watched him perform on numerous stages before, and he's actually a very wonderful artist as well. And it's very sad to see our artists are getting caught within the system, and it's due to the type of life that they decide to live. However, all I can say, I'm not sure what will go down with Tommy Lee in relation to this current case that is pending before the court. But many of his fans right now are basically worried in relation to what's to come from the actual case itself, and many are wondering whether or not he will be freed of the charges that are brought before him recently. But it's one of those situations that we really just have to just wait and see, considering that the police acted on some information, because I can't understand why they would just single him out just like that in that operation that he got caught in. And he was actually taken into custody, and then his lawyers actually stated that if he's not charged, he should be released, and then the police laid the charges against him of illegal possession, and I believe illegal possession of firearm and ammunition he was charged with as well, and his vehicles that he were traveling in got seized by the local authorities as well. But all I can say, we just have to just watch and just follow this one and just wish him all the best, and hopefully that he will overcome this one. If not, then he know that he just have to just wait out the system until whatever is delivered to him. He just have to just endure that moment and just know that such is life. But we'll continue to follow this one, and just much respect goes out to your Tommy Lee's part, even though you're in a difficult position right now, and I'm not sure whether or not you're guilty of the offense. But if you are, then you know that you just have to just bear the consequences. If you're not, then hopefully you can be free. Alright, my boss, much respect goes out to you, the viewers out there, all the subscribers. Thanks for always participating, thanks for always commenting. Thank you all, and this is the actual end of 2020, and we look forward to serving you for the year to come, 2021. So just keep safe and be good. Peace out from Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop.